What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing and installing the AUTOONE H11 bulbs here. Now this is a sponsored review by AUTOONE. They sent me these bulbs free of charge, but my opinions are my own and I'm going to give you guys my honest feedback on these bulbs, the build, the install, and also the performance as well. So let's get into the video and check these out. 14,000 lumens, 6000K white headlights by AUTOONE. So let's dive into this unboxing, check out these lights, and then also install them on my 10th gen Honda Civic, and I'll give you guys a review, day and night performance. Let's check them out. Really awesome packaging. I love the blue design here. A little nice little box here, slide out. You know, sleeve within a box, within another box, extra protection with this foam padding here. You also get your user guide right here. Let's take a quick look at this before we look at the lights. And pretty simple diagram instructions, plug and play, not really a whole lot to it. Anyone is capable of installing their own LED bulbs in their cars. Couple specifications here: DC 932V, LED light source type, color temperature is 6000K. They are IP67 rated. They're also made out of aviation aluminum. Operating temperature is negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating life is 50,000 hours. All that's left is to check out these bulbs. Let's go ahead and open them real quick. Alright, so right off the bat, I can tell you that this is a very high quality piece of equipment here. Really nice stuff. As you can see, that aviation grade aluminum housing. You've got 3 LED diodes on each side. Definitely make sure not to touch those with your fingers. And this red part here is a nice rubber gasket. A lot of times with the cheaper bulbs, you'll get very tough, hard plastic, not really IP rated. Again, these are IP67. You get that soft rubber gasket there. It's going to protect this bulb from the elements, and again, safe for off-road. It's going to be dust and moisture protected as well. Really great bulb. There is a very small cooling fan to keep the bulb from overheating. One thing I do like about this, supposedly, is that the bulb is very quiet. We'll see and put that to the test once I install these bulbs. Another thing I like, as you can see here, that connection is part of the bulb itself. A lot of times with different bulbs, you'll have a separate wire, maybe even another little console, and then the connector. It makes for a bulky installation. Again, this plug and play, doesn't take up any additional room from your factory bulbs, and it's just a really fitted design, you guys. And let's go ahead and head down to the garage, pop these in to our headlight housings, and see how they do.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known.
Right here in the middle, let's just go ahead and give it a turn counterclockwise. And there's your factory halogen bulb. Alright, and I have some other brand LEDs in my fog lights. Check out how loud these fans are. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to find your headlight housing, you want to find your low beam, which happens to be the center bulb here. There's new versus the old. Check out that difference, you guys. Plastic housing. Does have a pretty soft rubber gasket, but again, halogen versus LED, can't go wrong. As you can see, aircraft grade aluminum housing. You've got a silent cooling fan, much more robust design. Everything is plug and play, which is really nice. Just make sure not to touch either the halogen bulb nor the LED diodes on either of these bulbs. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and plug this in before I install the bulb, just to make it simple on myself. It does have the little notch to lock in with this locking tab here, so that's really nice. And installation is the exact opposite of the removal. So just go ahead and find the little notches here. Wait till the bulb sinks into place and give it a quick quarter turn clockwise this time. Everything is solid. no extra wiring harnesses, and you've got your built-in silent fan on there. Let's go ahead and check out the before and after. I still have the halogen on the passenger side. The driver's side is a new LED. Let's check out the difference. Now that cooling fan is literally silent. I do not even hear it from here. Check out that brightness difference, you guys. Halogen on the right, OEM, the new LED on the left side there. Much greater brightness. The spread is still even. Now based on the design of these headlights, they have that kind of Z axis cutoff, so that top of that is not going to bleed upward. It's just going to go straight where you need to see it, and it won't blind people, which is really awesome. Alright, so here I am about a foot away from that LED bulb. It is on right now. That cooling fan is spinning. That's really quiet, you guys. Now compare this with the cooling fan in my fog lights. That is a huge difference, you guys.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind.
Alright, so over here at the passenger side of the car, let's go ahead and remove the old bulb. So I'm going to do the same thing of removing the wiring harness first. Now this bulb should just spin out of here. There's your old bulb. Here is the new bulb. Let's go ahead and connect the wiring harness. Give it a quick quarter turn. And we are all good. Super bright, clean light. I really love that it's not overly bright and blinding. Ultra white 6000K. Going to provide lots of visibility without being blinding. I don't know, what do you guys think? Thumbs up for me. Alright you guys, so these are the H11 bulbs by AUTOONE on the 10th gen Honda Civic. I think we got a real winner on our hands, you guys. So again, to sum it up, a lot of brightness, really clean light without being blinding, super quick install, silent fans, and it is literally plug and play, no extra wires, no extra ugly harnesses to clutter up your engine bay. It's just a really clean install. You got your aviation aluminum 6063. The body is just super premium, high quality build. You get that rubber gasket to keep it weather sealed. Can't ask for more. And these really work great for projector beam housing. So if your car has projector beam housings, just like this Civic, yo, check these out. You're gonna have some really great performance. And by the way, links to these H11s and all the other fittings will be in the description below. Definitely check that out and help support the channel.